This is a 2019 Ford Raptor SuperCrew blue over blue two-tone interior. Power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, paddle shifters, home link for your garage door, upfitter switches, trailer brake controls, USB for your phone, heated and cooled seats, navigation, satellite radio, front camera, remote start, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, heated seats in the rear, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder Ecoboost engine. Like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.